What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can dislike the liked reels on your Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Instagram app. So after going to Instagram app, you have to go to your profile. So after going to profile, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. So after doing so, you have to scroll a little bit and you have to find the option called your activity. You have to click on your activity. So after that you have to click on likes. Okay, there you will be like, comments and tags that you have likes and comments on your friends post. You can find them all here. So what you need to do, you have to click on likes. Now there are all the posts that you have liked on Instagram. So to unlike or dislike the reels that you have liked, you need to click on the reel that you wanna unlike. So after opening the reel, what you just have to do, you have to click on this option. Now the reel is unliked. So this is how you can dislike the reels that you have already liked on your Instagram. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.